Hey guys, it's Nikki Chainsaw. Um, just wanted to say what's up, and um, gonna be making videos pretty soon. Yeah, so hopefully I can get back to you on that. So yeah. Um, so this is just like a little bit about me, 'cause this is my first video and I really don't know what to talk about. So whatever. Um, my My name is Nikki Chainsaw. Obviously, you already know that because I just said it. But anyways, so I live in the 801. Yeah.
United States, bitch!
Yeah, what she said. Yeah, so I live in the United States. Yeah.
Sorry, my swearing.
Yeah. Excuse her. She's a little potty mouth. Aren't we all? Anyways, so I don't know what to talk about. I just love her face. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Not really.
I think it's beautiful. She just doesn't realize it. Yeah. Look at this ratchet.
My hair's not long enough for her.
Yeah, that's Cam.
You're his best friend, huh?
Yeah.
Damn right, and best friends for life.
Bro, we've known each other for like what, 4 years?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, that's my best friend. Chilling with her on the third day of summer. Third day, yeah.
Doesn't even feel like summer. It's boring.
But anyways,
Say bye. Bye.